Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies and exploring the incredible benefits of a kitchen staple apple cider vinegar. You know me, I'm all about practical health advice that's backed by science. We're going to uncover 7 compelling reasons why you should consider incorporating apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. From boosting digestion to improving your skin, this versatile ingredient might just surprise you. So, if you're ready to unlock a healthier, happier you, stay tuned. This video is packed with valuable information you won't want to miss. Let's talk about digestion, something we all experience. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a natural compound that can help stimulate the production of stomach acid. This is crucial for breaking down food properly and absorbing nutrients effectively. If you struggle with indigestion, bloating, or that uncomfortable feeling of fullness after meals, apple cider vinegar could be a game changer. Consider adding a tablespoon or 2 to a glass of water before meals to experience its digestive benefits firsthand. Now, who doesn't want a little boost to their metabolism? Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help increase the number of calories your body burns throughout the day. This is partly due to its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity, meaning your body utilizes glucose more efficiently. While it's not a magic weight loss solution, incorporating apple cider vinegar into a balanced diet and active lifestyle can definitely contribute to healthy weight management. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for overall health, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Apple cider vinegar has shown promising results in improving insulin sensitivity. This means your cells become more responsive to insulin, allowing them to absorb glucose from the bloodstream more effectively. However, it's crucial to consult your doctor before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you're already on medication. Feeling sluggish? Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from our environment and diet. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural detoxifier, supporting your liver and kidneys in eliminating waste products. It also has antibacterial properties that can help promote a healthy gut microbiome, further aiding in detoxification. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine can be a great way to give your body a gentle cleanse. Tossing and turning at night? A good night's sleep is foundational for overall health and well-being. Apple cider vinegar can indirectly promote better sleep by helping regulate blood sugar levels. Remember how we talked about its ability to improve insulin sensitivity? This helps prevent those pesky blood sugar spikes and crashes that can disrupt your sleep. Try having a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before bed and see if it makes a difference in your sleep quality. Nobody likes getting sick. Apple cider vinegar contains vitamin C and E, both powerful antioxidants that help strengthen your immune system. It also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help ward off infections and keep you feeling your best. Adding apple cider vinegar to your diet is like giving your immune system an extra layer of protection. Let's face it, healthy skin is something we all strive for. Apple cider vinegar can be beneficial for your skin too. Its natural acidity helps balance your skin's pH levels, reducing acne breakouts and excess oiliness. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help combat bacteria that contribute to skin issues. You can use diluted apple cider vinegar as a toner by applying it to a cotton pad and gently swiping it across your face after cleansing. There you have it, 7 compelling reasons why apple cider vinegar deserves a spot in your pantry and your wellness routine. From boosting digestion to enhancing your skin, this versatile ingredient offers a natural and holistic approach to health. Remember, always consult your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping recipes and health tips every day. Unlock the incredible benefits of apple cider vinegar with our channel. From boosting your health to enhancing your beauty routine, discover 7 amazing reasons why this powerful ingredient should be a staple in your life. Don't miss out. Subscribe now for expert tips, DIY recipes, and transformative hacks that will leave you amazed and inspired.